My name is Marco Rusconi, and I fly the number 4 position, the slot position for the Canadian Harvard aerobatic team. Like most airplane lovers, we grew up as kids at air shows looking up at our favorite airplanes, and my favorite airplane has always been the bright yellow Harvard at all the air shows that I always watched. I made flying my career. I joined the military, and I did that for 14 years, and now I continue to fly professionally. I keep counting my blessings that I get to do what I always dreamt about doing, which is flying my favorite airplane. The Harvard is an incredibly significant airplane in our aviation history, especially in Canada. It has been the cornerstone of aviation training for worldwide Allied pilots during World War II. I would say in the thousands of pilots have come to Canada to train to fight for the war effort. It is a challenging airplane to fly, incredibly unique in its handling characteristics, and that's why we are madly in love with it. A pilot would fly the syllabus was approximately 100 hours, after which they'd get their wings on the airplane, and they would go on to the frontline squadrons flying airplanes like the Mustang, like the Lancaster, but all starting from the Harvard. The design of the Harvard evolves from the original American design, which is the T6. The Canadians took it, modified the American versions, and then we started manufacturing our own in Canada in the 50s, and we used them for training all the way into the 60s. The Canadian Harvard aerobatic team has been flying air shows, formation aerobatics in the Harvard type airplane for 14 years. I am the new addition to the team this year, and I've been blessed to watch the guys perform all around the airshow circuit over the years, and I feel incredibly lucky to be a part of it this year. The team is a volunteer organization. We are based out of Woodstock, and we make it our mission to tell the story of the airplane, represent those who did train in it and continue to fly it, as well as telling our own story, which is one of passion of flight and continuing our tradition of teamwork and promoting values of teamwork amongst the younger generations. Running into veterans in our operation is the best part of what we do. We get to make the past live, being able to share that moment with a veteran who has flown the airplane, who has worked on the airplane, for us is incredibly special. Keeping these airplanes flying is a love affair with the airplane. After we finish our show season during our summer, we commit the airplanes to an intense maintenance season at our facility. Keeping them flying is quite involved, but it's what we love to do. We continue to fly the airplane in Canada and in the States at air shows for fly pasts, to honor veterans, to tell the story, and inspire the younger generations, and what an amazing airplane this is.